lovelies, are you looking for platforms where you can work to make money from the comfort of your home, money to pay off some of your bills, money to take care of your data, and some of those stuff? So, if you are looking for such apps, especially the ones that allow you to work as an African or as a Nigerian in particular, because some of these apps do not permit Nigerians to work there. So if you are looking for apps where you can just make money from the comfort of your home by just doing minor tasks, I got you covered on this particular video because I just discovered two apps where you can earn from the comfort of your home by just performing minor tasks. And the good thing about these apps is that people are currently rushing into these apps. And as soon as this video gets to you, just make sure you jump into the apps and start earning immediately, because the rate at which my students and so many other people are already jumping into this platform, I'm just scared that they might change some of their policies at any time, something like making it a kind of more hard for people to earn. But if you are just saying this video immediately uploading it, just count yourself very lucky and make sure you jump into the platforms ASAP. And if you are watching it maybe later on, you don't have to also be scared. You can also earn from this platform. I'm just stating the fact that anything might change any moment from now because it's a new app and a whole lot of people are currently jumping into it. So in case you are asking, like, how much can you make on this on these apps that I want to share with you, you can make as high as $39 within the space of 2 days, and you can make as high as $50 on the second app, depending on how consistent you are taking tasks on those on the other app. So for the two apps, all you are going to be doing is you can play games if you want to play games. You can watch ads if you want to watch ads. You can also do few surveys, like easy surveys. On their surveys, they are very easy, so you can also take surveys to earn from this app. If you want to take surveys, it's not compulsory. And there are so many other things you can do on the two apps depending on the one easy for you to do. Another thing is that you can do this from the comfort of your home and you don't even need to change your location. Let's say you are a Nigerian and you are scared that you don't know if this is going to pay you. It's going to pay you. You don't need a VPN to work on this app. So if you are asking if I have earned from these apps, because this is the basic question every Nigerian asks before jumping into any platform that you introduce to them. So if this is currently your question, the answer is completely yes. I have earned from these platforms, and if you know me well, you know that I don't bring updates that I haven't tried and it worked for me. So if you look here, you see my payment proof from the first app I'm going to introduce to you. And if you look here too, you see the second app, the second payment proof from the second app that I'm going to introduce to you, just to let you know that these apps really pay and they are still paying at the moment. And the earlier you jump into it, the best for you. So right now we are going to jump into the first app, which is actually very easy for you to download and log in. There is no special registration on it. So all you have to do is just to go straight into your Play Store, Apple Store, or wherever, and download this app you are seeing right now. And after downloading it, just log in with your email. Any email you can use is okay. You don't have to use a special email like a UK email, just any email. Log in and start. But here is the first app. It's called Crazy Rock. So once you have downloaded it, just go ahead, tap on it, allow it to load. So over here is the interface of the app, and you can see this is my earnings and this is my earnings, and both are withdrawable. You can withdraw this and you can withdraw this as well. So if you want to see how the game is played, all you have to do is to tap on start game here. Then before then, let me just show you my earnings. So you can see I'm currently having $19, and if I want to withdraw this money, all I have to do is just to tap on withdraw. So over here is where you're going to enter your email and your name, then you click on confirm. I don't want to withdraw now, so let me just leave that. So if you want to withdraw this as well, all you have to do is just to come over here and tap on it,
So once you tap on it, you can see this is currently on $5. So if I want to withdraw this, I'll just go ahead, tap on withdraw all, enter my email, my name, confirm, and I withdraw it. But currently I don't want to withdraw. I want to reach a certain amount before I place my withdrawal, though this is not my first withdrawal. So now for you to see how to play the game, all you need to do is to come over here, tap on start game. Then let's just try it. Let me show you how it's being played. So all you have to do is to keep it's not really difficult to play. So you just, and if you failed it, like you failed the game, all you would need to, like this particular one is a bit difficult, so all you have to do is just to waste your stuff. Then you can replay it. You can click on this to replay, and you can click on this to skip the game. Click on skip. You're gonna watch a short ad, and after watching it, they are gonna be crediting you what you have earned or what you are supposed to earn if you had not failed the game. But if you want to retry it, you can click here and retry. But for me, I want to just click on skip, watch a short ad, and move on. So if you are watching the ad, all you have to do is to just keep monitoring this. So once it's done reading, just click it off and you will be rewarded instantly. So right now I'm done watching it, and if you want to cancel it, you can see it says reward granted. So if you want to cancel it, just tap on it and you will see you have been rewarded. You can see it. So just tap on confirm and continue. So right now let's just try one more game. So just keep monitoring it. It's not really difficult. So you can see once you kill that animal, you've gotten it. Let's try it one more time before I show you other things on this app. Just tap on it. Some might be difficult, some might not be. So anyone you cannot play, just watch short ad and move on. Just as simple as that. So you can see I've killed that and I've gotten that. So once you've already mastered how to play the game, just go ahead to play it. And if you kept on playing until your energy gets exhausted, all you have to do is to watch ad. If you watch ads, they're going to give you another, they are going to refuel your energy and you continue. So that's how it's been played. So now let me show you some things you also need to know. If you keep on playing, they are going to be tagging some things you need to claim. So once you see it, all you have to do is to come over here. So you tap on this. Here is going to turn yellow once it's time for you to claim something here. So you tap on it and claim. Then once you have met a particular level, all you have to do is to tap here. Once you tap here, here is going to turn yellow once you have completed the level. So all you have to do is to also claim it. That's how the app works. And if you want to refer someone, this is not based on referral, but if you want to refer anyone and get more payment, all you have to do is to tap here. So this is it. Let's go ahead, tap on it, and you can see just come down, refer someone, and you are going to be getting this 30,000 naira, but it's not compulsory. Referral is not compulsory. And if you want to earn instant 1,500, just ensure you use my referral code. Make sure you use this referral code. It's very, very important. All of these are tasks you can play. Just play them, clear them, and for your daily mission or your daily task, come over here, tap on it, and you can just complete all of this, complete them, and you get rewarded. So for this one, you can see I've completed it. It has already turned yellow, so I have to just click to claim. So that's how it works. And once you are claiming all of these things, you can be checking your earnings as well. And once you are ready to withdraw, go ahead, cash out. And if you are worried about how to withdraw from this app, you can always reach out to me in our WhatsApp support group. If you are asking where is the WhatsApp support group, just check the bio of my channel. You're gonna see the description. Tap on the link and join us. Ask whatever question you have to ask. So now let's move into the second app. Let me show you how the app works. So for the second app, just go into your Play Store and type work task. So just tap on it, and you can see it's already installed on mine. So for yours, it might not be installed if you haven't played it before, you don't have it on your phone. Go ahead, install it. Once you are done installing it, just tap on open. So for now, I want to update it. Let me just go ahead, update. So once you have downloaded this app, all you have to do is just to make sure you use my code. This is my code here, so that you'll be getting extra coins or bonus if you use my code. Make sure you use my code if you want the bonus. So my code is UJUDMT, so that's my code. Make sure you use it. So now let me show you how the platform actually works. Let's start from the earning, because I know that's what you are interested in. So if you look here, you see that I currently have $9, and if I want to place withdrawal instantly, I can do that and get my payment ASAP. So now let's just tap on it to see how it looks like. So when you tap on cash out, it's going to show you this interface. So on this interface, you can see that you can cash out through Google Play, Nintendo, Apple. You can withdraw Apple card, you can withdraw Amazon gift card, you can withdraw through PayPal. So there are so many payments options here, so that no matter your location, you won't have issue withdrawing. So if you have any issue withdrawing, maybe you don't have a PayPal account, or you don't know how to withdraw through Amazon gift card, just any issue you have placing your withdrawal, all you have to do is to reach out to me in our WhatsApp support group, where I'm going to guide you on how you are going to withdraw your make your withdrawal instantly without any stress. And in my next video, I'm also going to show you how to withdraw your money through gift card, so that you won't have to be reaching out to anyone to help you withdraw. So that's it. Make sure you create your PayPal account as well. I will also be showing you how to create your PayPal account if that's the issue you have. And don't forget, if you are downloading this app for the first time, all you have to do is to make sure you use a VPN if you are not in United Kingdom or United States. Download a VPN, go to your Play Store, type VPN, virtual private network. You can use a free VPN. So just download it. Once you are done downloading, connect to United Kingdom or United States. Once you are done downloading, make sure you switch off your VPN before logging into this app. It's very, very important. Switch off your VPN before logging into the app. So now let me show you more interface of this app, so that you can check and see if it is something you can do. So now this is the task session. Go ahead, tap on it, and you can see a lot you can do. You can do daily check-in. You can also invite friends. It's not compulsory to invite. If you want to invite, you can invite. So now this is complete surveys. You can complete surveys. You can play games if you want to play games. So now let's look at the game session. So now this is the game session. Just tap on play. So it's going to show you here. It's still part of the game, or you go to the bonus section. So under bonus section, you are going to be seeing playtime, tutorials, IA Studio, CPS, BitLab, and so many others. So each of those offer walls, you're going to be seeing games or offers you can just perform, or tasks you can just perform and you get paid. So if you want to watch videos, you can watch video as well and you get paid. So now let me also show you what you can also do to earn. If you don't want to do any of those things I told you, you can just shake your phone. As you are shaking your phone or walking around with your phone, you will see that your box, there's what you are going to be withdrawing from your box. All you have to do is just to tap on the box. Once you tap on the box, you will be getting your coins accumulated. So as you are accumulating your coins, let me just show you. So here is going to be increasing. Here is going to be increasing. So once that is done and you reach your withdrawal limit, you can place your withdrawal and you get your payment ASAP. So if you want to earn faster on this particular app, all you have to do is to play games. All those free, your favorite games that you play for free, play them here and you get paid. You can also take surveys. Just take simple. Their surveys over here are very simple. Take surveys and you get paid. So that's how you can accumulate your earning faster. And if you look at mine, you see I have $9, and if I want to place withdrawal, I can place withdrawal instantly. So all I have to do is to tap on redeem. Once I tap on redeem, I'll be able to withdraw my money, even though I'm not ready to withdraw now. But if I want to withdraw, I'll just enter my PayPal email, click on next, and that's all. I will get my payment ASAP. So if I want to withdraw through Amazon gift card or Apple, all I have to do is to tap on redeem. Once I tap on that redeem, I have withdrawn my gift card and I can go and exchange it and get my payment instantly. So that's exactly how it works, guys. And if you found value in this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, at least to encourage me that I'm doing well for you. And don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to answer every of your questions. So ask me your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video to your friends.